Today I want to show you guys this bird feeder. The brand sent it to me to make a video for you guys. As you can see, it is really cool looking bird feeder. You can see it has built-in solar panel on the top, both sides. So if you have any place that takes lots of sunshine like this, we have very nice large opening here. So you can just install. You can see we have a couple of them. So if you have any place, you don't need to worry about those kind of solar panel with long cable. So this comes right directly in, built into the unit. So the installation takes only like 2 minutes. All you have to do is install 2 screws. You are basically done with it. So once you secure the bracket, you install the main unit on the bracket with this screw. You just secure it, and if you want to rotate, you can easily rotate. It has pretty decent amount rotation. You can see, I don't know, I think it's like 120 degree, something like that. You can adjust. Once you are done, you can secure, so it will stay, it's not gonna move. And you can also adjust the angle of the camera. You can point all the way down. So the cable for the solar panel goes from here. I just tucked everything back inside, so you can easily see what's going on with the food level. You can refill all the way on the top. Very easy refill. You just open the top. You can see just opens nice and easy. You can see very easy opening. You can easily refill. Even if you have large bag, you can just open, because has really good amount of space to refill. And on the back it has an antenna to strengthen the Wi-Fi signal. So once the birds come here, you get a notification and you can just open the application and see what is going on. Overall, really cool unit, really nice looking, goes nice and blend nicely in the backyard. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.